This is the elevator at Our Lady of Mercy Church in Syosset. Looks like a northern. Oh, look at this cool door configuration. Very neat. Now I'm gonna show you one quick thing. This is a northern elevator. This is really neat. Maintained by Thyssenkrupp. And we're here. Well, look at this. It's got classic leveling. It opens out right into the street. Have to get back upstairs, but yeah, there's the school. There's an airplane. I don't think I get back in, so go back up. This is cool. Get a cab view. Oh, the call buttons do work up here. It's a pretty nice elevator. Neat. There it goes. And that's it.